guys. Good day, good morning, and welcome to this room tour. Boom. Okay, so starting off this area. So everybody has a desk. See, there's one. Oh, it's a dresser thingy. I mean, it has cupboards and all that stuff. But yes, 1, 2, 3. I moved mine because I'm moving out, so that's 4. It was supposed to be 4. Then each person has bed space. This is one person's corner. This is another person's corner, and so on. This corner, ladies and gentlemen, is 200k. So from there to that end, okay, you get the wardrobe because each person gets the wardrobe is 200k. Boom. All right. So everyone has a window. And we don't have water running very often, so we tend to store water. That explains buckets. But I removed mine since I'm moving out. Everybody has a dresser, a cupboard thingy. As I said, that's mine, but it's pretty empty because I'm moving out. This is your entryway to the door. 2 fans. 1, 2 lights. Where is it? There we go. And then there's each light at each corner, just in case like want to read in the middle of the night or something like that, or you just need like your personal light on, but not like the whole room's light. So yes, this is my side. It's pretty empty because I'm leaving. So everyone's supposed to have a chair, but if you don't want a chair, you can just like get rid of it when you come in. So let me check if I want to show you guys things. Okay, alright, so this is what's in my, it's basically like I just have to pack up this stuff. That's laundry upstairs, but this is like this, basically that's what I'm showing you. I'm showing you the spacing, okay, in the cupboard. So there's a rod where you could hang stuff, and then there's one partition here, and then there's the floor. So you can get carpenters to make like a higher partition for you if you want, but I didn't think I needed that because that was like too much stress. So remember, I'm showing you what's in the cupboard, like cupboard space. I'm not showing you my stuff, okay? So basically that's it. The floors aren't tiled there. Well, this, I don't know what this is called. So basically that is it for this room tour. It's a very, well, it's a medium-sized room. 4 occupants. Oh yeah, I'm going to keep our boxes on there. So that explains. And my spot is missing the box because my box is not here. Alright, so basically that is it. This room in total costs 800k. That's 200k for everyone present, living and breathing in this room. And yeah, I'll probably do a bathroom tour later. Well, I don't feel like showing myself right now because I feel I don't look pretty. I'm kidding, but I just don't feel like it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, then comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. One love, peace out.